Hey everyone, Don Master here. Um, do a little Mac Tools history Monday night here. So I got a pretty cool kit here, and I spent a lot of time trying to find a part number, because this isn't on Mac's website. They have the 3/8 SAE set on their website and the combination metric and SAE quarter set. And what this is the SAE quarter drive set. So this I bought years ago used with a bunch of other used tools, including a similar set but snap-on. And this kit I love. It's phenomenal. I'm not sure how much these run new. It was probably around 300, I'm guessing. But it's always in my work cart in like the bottom drawer, and if I have to go out and work on a truck and I know I got some SAE stuff, I'm not sure, I just grab it. And you can tell it's really old because it has the old Mac logo on it. And I have had a couple of the sockets warranted. Chrome stuff does crack when you put a lot of torque on it sometimes, and a lot of them were really old, but some of them are new now. So it comes with the nice Mac MR5 USA quarter drive ratchet. It's not a fine tooth, and you can still get this ratchet from Mac. And it's a little 5-inch quarter drive ratchet, knurled handle, just a beefy little sucker. Never had to have this warranted. Like my dealer says, he says these old pair head ratchets, he barely ever had to warranty them because they're so strong. They last a lot longer than the Axis, I'll tell you that. And then it comes with this really nice M6SA, and it has the hard handle screwdriver handle, similar to this guy, this number 1 Phillips. This is the PB2031AR, and it's the acrylic or acetate handle, and basically it has a quarter drive end on here for your ratchet, and it's basically an extension handle. So that is really nice. So you can basically, for extra reach, and you can spin this, you know, to loosen something up faster or spin something down faster. It's nice. And then it comes with one extension. I wish it came with a shorter extension. Oh, it does. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, it comes with a shorter extension too, and I've kept this whole kit original. I have lost a couple sockets out of it, but I always replace them right away because this kit is really useful and it's history to me. So it comes with an M6E, a 6-inch, and then it comes with the I believe this is an M2. Yeah. And it comes with a nice wobble. I've had to have this warranted. These break. It's just the way it is. This is a newer one. 1/4-inch wobble, which is the M3U. So, anyway, it's pretty cool. And it goes up to 1/2 inch. Nothing crazy. 1/2 inch drive. Or, 1/2 inch socket size. Down to... what is that? 1/4. So it goes from 1/4 to 1/2, and 1/4 to 1/2 on the deeps as well. And I just love the Mac chrome sockets. I think they're great. They just feel good. Just good rugged sockets. So anyway, I thought that'd be cool to show you guys. my Mac dealer right now, he has some new old stock, old inventory that he pulled out of his garage. I think he was going to keep the set, but he hasn't opened it up. It's quite a bit old. It's probably 10 years old. A similar kind of kit to this, but 3/8 drive. And he wants $550 for it. But it comes with metric and standard, shallow and deep. So the box is about 3 times the size of this, and it comes with the 8-inch 3/8 drive ratchet, so the bigger brother to this, and all your metric and all your standard shallow and deep sockets, a couple extensions, and it comes with a wobble as well. But it does not come with one of these. And these they still show in the catalog, M6SA, and this is the newest catalog. It's not that old. And it's a 6 1/4 inch comfort grip handle, doubles as an extension. It's called a quarter drive spin handle. And I tried to order a spare one from my dealer probably a year ago, and he still hasn't been able to get one. He has one on his truck, but it's his. He pops torques and stuff on it to repair ratchets, but I want to get another one because these do break if you put too much torque on them. I have broken them before. So anyway, I have a bunch of these number 1 Phillips screwdrivers. For some reason, these are still available, only in this size, and the stubbies with the comfort handle. And I thought it'd be cool to use one of these spare screwdriver handles I have, since I have 3 of these sizes, and this is the most mangled one I have. The other 2 are brand new, but if you look, the tip is mangled, and I don't want to warranty the screwdriver because he'll just give me a new model. So I was thinking about pressing this out and drilling the center out of this handle just a little bit bigger so I can slide it over this knurled end, so that way I can have a comfort grip handle on my MR5. Let me know what you guys think about that idea. Is this handle too big? Do you think it will be alright? Think it'll look okay? Will it work? I know that screwdriver handle is the exact same size as the spin handle, and I know that back in the day you could get hard handles on these ratchets, and I really want one. And you can still get these ratchets, just not with the hard handle. So can I make one? Will it work? What do you guys think? So anyway, just a little video for you. Sorry I don't have the part number for this. I looked and looked online and I can't find one. So it looks like the part number maybe used to be right here on a piece of a sticker, but it's so old that it's not in here under anything, unfortunately. But this case is great. I love it. Quality tools for the professional mechanic. And on the back side we got no part number, but this is an old set. This is probably from the early 90s, I'm guessing, maybe even the 80s. Just looking at the logo here, it's got the old Mac Tools circle. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about the handle going on the ratchet. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a good one.